5 ways a direct sale will save you money. Let's get into it. Number 1, no repairs. You don't have to fix it. We buy the property as is, in the condition that it's in. No matter what condition it is, we will buy it. If it's smelly, if it needs a roof, if it needs AC, if it has no flooring, if the walls are all torn out. I bought in houses that were burnt down mostly, and if you need to sell it, we're interested. Pack and go. So the big thing is the convenience factor. If you need to sell it fast and you don't want to worry about, what am I going to do with this stuff that I don't want? Maybe you inherited a house. Maybe you moved and bought stuff already. Maybe there's stuff you just don't want to have garage sales because for whatever reason. If you leave that stuff, don't worry. Either my contractors will pick it up and take it home or they'll throw it in the trash. It does not affect our offer. 3, no closing costs. Closing cost is a surprisingly high cost, and a lot of times people don't factor that in when they're doing their deals, especially the HGTV flippers, right? They don't ever have the closing cost in there. So when you buy it, when you sell it, there's costs associated with selling it. We cover all closing costs just so the numbers look simple to you as the seller. And I would put an asterisk there. We cover all normal closing costs. If you have to do a full-blown probate, or if you have to go sue somebody, we're not going to cover that. But all the normal closing costs, which is like 3 to 5% of the sales price, we'll cover that. Next, no marketing expenses. So you don't have to pay for a realtor, you don't have to pay for representation, you don't have to pay for advertising, you don't have to pay for all of that stuff. You don't even have to deal with negotiating the deal with the person that's going to buy it. Just call us, we go, we check out the property, we assess the condition, we can make you a cash offer right there on the spot, just for you to make it really convenient. Lastly, you don't have to worry about the monthly payment anymore, if there is a monthly payment, or the annual taxes that are coming due, in the next couple months. If you want to sell it and just be done with the house, we'll make a cash offer for you. So I hope you guys like this information. We're making more videos like this just to kind of inform the people that need to sell so they can make the right decision for them and their family. And if you have information or if you have questions that need answers, feel free to call us or we'll go set an appointment. It's free consultation, no obligations required, and we'll go and make you a cash offer on the spot. Or if you know somebody that's interested that may need to sell their house like this, share our video or give them our contact information. Make sure they mention you so we can give you a $500 referral. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.